Hello everyone. So as soon as I came to office, I came to know that Infosys is celebrating its 25 years of in-step global employee experience and cultural initiative. And Sudha Murthy and Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys, has also came. I was really excited to, in fact, get a glance of them. So I entered the office, did my back check, which always happens every day. And I was also about to meet one of my friend whom I met on the induction day. He is Roshan. His name is Roshan. I call him Roshan Bhai. He is from Pune. We did friendship, and I was about to meet him. He was waiting for me in the Wi-Fi zone. See, I'll introduce you to him. He is my friend Roshan Bhai. So I asked him, "You want to come on my YouTube?" He is one of my subscriber. Maybe he will be watching my video. So yeah, hi Roshan Bhai. So we decided that first we will have lunch. Actually, he wanted to have lunch. I just had my breakfast and came to office. Probably my login is by 12. So, and just see the greenery. I'll give you the entire Infosys tour someday because the campus is very big. These are the vehicles available to carry few VIP people, and I think it is available for us as well. So we were going to canteen. This is our cafeteria where all kind of cuisine is available: North Indian, South Indian, Chinese, tea, coffee, everything. So Roshan Bhai decided to have chicken biryani, and I just had coffee. So we came to know that today Shankar Mahadevan, one of the popular singer, is also coming today to celebrate this 25 years of in-step global employee experience. And Narayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy is also attending that. So I was very excited. I just blocked my calendar that भाई आज तो मुझे attend करना ही है. एक तो concert भी, and अगर एक glance देखने को मिल गया. And just जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे walk कर रहे थे ना, तो वो जो vehicle दिखाया मैंने, शायद वो vehicle हमारे तरफ से गया, and सामने में नारायण मूर्ति was sitting. I just got a glance, but it is very tough to meet him, right? He cannot stop for everyone. So ये था वो 25 years of in-step global employee का एंट्री. हम लोग गए और उन्होंने बोला कि भाई ग्रीन ID कार्ड लो. वो हमने यहाँ से कलेक्ट किया. And this is the crowd. I think this is nothing. This is just one gate. Infosys has so many gates. This is the inside. I went. ये लोग बता रहे थे, अब पुलिस का पूरा सिक्योरिटी वगैरह सब था. तो उन्होंने पहले बोला कि ग्रीन ID कार्ड लो तभी आपको एंट्री मिलेगा. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा रिफ्रेशमेंट्स वगैरह का भी सेटअप था और हम लोग एंटर किए. तो ये भाई कॉन्सर्ट था. यहाँ पे कॉन्सर्ट, इट वाज अ क्रेजी कॉन्सर्ट बाय शंकर